Ever wondered why your energy levels slump mid-afternoon or why you're struggling to shed those last few stubborn pounds? It could be down to your sugar intake. But fear not, there's a delicious solution right at your fingertips. No added sugar-dried cherries. Michigan, known for its high-quality cherries, is your source for these bite-sized powerhouses. These cherries aren't just pleasing to the palate with their rich taste, but they also offer an array of health benefits. Packed to the brim with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, they're a wholesome alternative to sugary snacks. Antioxidants? Yes, indeed. These dried cherries are a veritable treasure trove of antioxidants, which are known to combat harmful free radicals in the body, aiding in everything from maintaining a healthy heart to slowing down the aging process. And there's more. These cherries are low in calories and a fantastic source of dietary fiber, making them a smart choice for weight management. You'll feel fuller for longer, reducing the temptation to reach for unhealthy snacks. But what about sweetness, you ask? Well, these dried cherries bring natural sweetness to the table, sans the added sugars. This means you can enjoy the sweet, tangy flavor without a side serving of guilt. Reducing sugar intake has a host of benefits, such as improved weight management, better dental health, and stabilized energy levels. With no added sugar-dried cherries, you're taking a step towards a healthier lifestyle. Now, how about incorporating these cherries into your diet? Picture this: crunchy cherry almond granola for breakfast, a refreshing cherry yogurt parfait for a midday snack, or energizing cherry energy bites for that pre-workout boost. The possibilities are as endless as they are delicious. So next time you're in the grocery aisle, reach for the no-added sugar-dried cherries. They're not just a tasty treat, but a step towards a healthier, happier you. Remember, small changes can have a big impact on your health. So, why not make the switch to natural sweetness and enjoy the myriad of benefits that come with no added sugar-dried cherries? Your body will thank you.